Batching your laundry. Is it easier to do it all at once or to break it up and do loads every day? We're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's question is brought to us by housecleaning360.com. And did you know there are people on housecleaning360.com that will come to your house and they will do your laundry? It's awesome. There are also home deliverers who will deliver your dry cleaning to you if you have your dry cleaning shipped out and done somewhere else. So housecleaning360.com, it's a 360 view of the perfect home. Companies that service the home and the family are on housecleaning360.com. Today we're talking about laundry and batching your laundry. Who does that? Well, I do that. If you have a particular system for how you do your clothes, it's going to make doing your clothes a whole lot easier. Now, lots of people don't like doing laundry because they save it until one day a week and then it's all piled up and they have lots of loads of laundry and they got to sort through everything and they got to fold everything and put everything away when it's done, and it's this huge task. There are other people that do little loads of laundry every single day and it's just part of their daily process. Now, if you're batching your laundry, it's easy if you break it down by weight and color. Now, not to get too technical, I don't want you to do anything super crazy. I don't want you to be making calendars about what color and what day of the week and all that stuff. But think about it like this. If you wash all of your linens, that's your bedding and your pillowcases and all that stuff, if you wash all of that on Sunday, and it can be any day of the week, just pick whatever day you want to use. But if you'll wash your linens on one day, all of the weight of the fabric is going to be about the same. A pillowcase is a lighter weight than a sheet, for example, but it's all part of the same family. And because they're all from the same color scheme, they can go in the washing machine together. Then when you hang them out to dry or you put them in the dryer, they can all go in there together. Opposed to as if you had a great big bed sheet and then maybe you had a pair of socks. The weight is going to be different. So when you batch your stuff, you can batch it by color and weight of fabric. So for example, what if one day you grabbed everybody's shirts in the family and you washed all of the shirts? That's all you did. You washed all of the shirts one day a week. And everybody knew what day of the week it was. And you can even put a little list by your washing machine. Say Monday is shirt day. So all of the shirts are going to be about the same weight. They're not as heavy as a pair of pants, for example. They're all about the same weight. They're lightweight. And based on colors, you can do a colored one and a light one if you have that many shirts. In my family, everybody wears about the same colors and they're all colors. They're not white. We don't wear white because we spill stuff on ourselves. Okay, so anyway, on Tuesday, you can wash all the pants. That would be the sweatpants and the jeans and the work pants and all that stuff because they're all a thicker fabric. And so they'll all go through the washing machine and the dryer all about the same weight and they're all roughly dark colors. So that way they all can be processed at the same time. By batching your laundry that way, it makes it super easy and it takes all the guesswork out of it. Because you know on what day all of the towels, for example, are going to be washed. Or you know it's linen day. Or you know it's the day for pants. Or it's the day for socks and underwear. Or whatever it is. But as you break it up, it makes it super easy because then you know what needs to be done that day. You can have separate hampers if you like. Or you can just say, hey, everybody bring me by 8 o'clock in the morning all of your shirts on this day. Bring me all of your pants on that day. And you'll see people, as they're getting dressed for the day, they're scooping up all their stuff that they've sorted, and you let the family sort their own stuff and just bring it down to the washing machine, and then you do one great big load of laundry. Makes it super easy, and then when you put it away, you're not running all over the house putting away towels and rags and socks and underwear, hanging up shirts and pants and doing all the stuff. All the pants go in one spot in the closet. So we have one closet, 2 closets, 3 closets. Bam, we're done. It's easy, right? All right, so that's my 2 cents for today. Batch your laundry. It's just another way of doing it. And try it. Give it a try. See if it's easier for you. Anyway, let me know what you think. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.